Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter 4 Vedic Mathematics topic Nikhilam Sutra. Yesterday I explained about that parts of Nikhilam Sutra, that is base, deviation and numbers. Today we are going to learn about the multiplication of, that is Nikhilam Sutra, through example. If we take example as 11 into 15, then we have to take as first base, that is 10, because 11 is nearer to 10 and 15 also nearer to 10. That's why we are taking base as 10. Now we have to find the deviation of this number. How can we find that? As I explained in the last class, that first we have to take the number, then minus the base, then we get the deviation, that is 10. 11 minus 10 we get 1, it is plus 1 because base is smaller than number. Now second one, that is 15 minus again base, here also 15 minus 10 we get 5. Understood? Now these are deviation, and this is base and this one is number. Now we have to explain the question or solve this question like this. First we have to take this one as this is with this and this one is with this, that is cross. Now whatever is the properties, number plus cross deviation slash the 2 multiplication of 2 deviation, that is 1 into 5. Now 11 plus 5 it is 16 slash 5 1 5. Now we have to total it in slanting way. That first one is ones, second one is 6, then 1. Now we have to add it 5, 6, 1. Like this we have to give the answer as 165. Now second one, if we have taken this 11. Now if we take, that is 15, then again is the same. We must do by taking this. We can solve this problem by taking any one of the number, not both. We have to take only one of each number. That यहाँ से कोई भी एक नंबर लेना है जो क्रॉस में लेना है. अगर ऊपर वाले लेते हैं तो नीचे वाले नंबर से प्लस करना है, अगर नीचे वाले लेते हैं तो ऊपर वाले नंबर से उसे जोड़ना है. उसी तरीके से अगर हम दूसरा लेते हैं, जैसे 11 into 9, ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन है. जैसे सेकंड एग्जांपल 11 into 9. अब इसका क्या होगा, 11 minus 10 equals plus 1. अगेन 9 minus 10, यहाँ पे 10 बड़ा है 9 छोटा है, तो 10 के साथ में माइनस है, तो यहाँ पे हमें लेना है minus 1. 10 minus 9 we get 1, that will be minus 1. Now we have to take this, that is like this one, that 9 plus 1 slash 1 into minus 1. Now 9 plus 1, it is 10 minus 1. Now 10 minus 1, here it is 0. Now it is 9. What is the answer? It is 9. So it is 0. 90. Answer will be 90. Like this we have to solve the problems. Now we are going to solve the exercise, that is 4.4. That is 4.4. Now we are going to solve the exercise, that is 4.4, which is based on Nichilam Sutra. First question is exercise 4.4. First question is 12 into 9. Now we have to make it as base 10. Then 10 minus 12 minus 10 equals plus 2. Then 9 minus 10 equals minus 1. Now 12 into 12 minus 1 slash 9, 2 into minus 1. Now 12 minus 1, it is 11 slash minus 2. Now we have to take it as 11 minus 1 slash 2. Now it is 10. Then 10 minus 2. Now 10 slash it is 8. Now we have to take it as 108. 108. This is the method through which we have to solve the problem by using Nichilam Sutra. We have to minus it here. In the last example I left something, that now I am explaining that one, that is 11. 12 minus 1, it is 11. Now 2 into 1 is 2, but it is here it is plus into minus, minus 2. Then to make it positive, we have to take it in the left side, that is 11 minus 1 slash minus 2. Now 11 minus 1, it is 10. Now we have to take it as a plus, make it in a plus. 10 minus, the base is 10, 10 minus 2. Now 10 minus 2, it is 8, here it is 10. Now we have to add it. By adding that, we get the answer, that is 108. In the same way, the second question is 15 into 12. 15 into 12. Now first we have to take as a base, that is 10. Now 15 minus 10, that is plus 5. 12 minus 10, that is plus 2. Now we get the deviation number and the number and the base. Now 15 plus 2 slash 5 into 2. Now 15 plus 2, it is 17 slash it is 10. Then here is 2 number and here is 2 digits, here also 2 digits. then we have to do it as in a slanting way, that is 10 and 17. It means it is 0, 8, 1. Now answer will be 180 because these two are added. By adding these two numbers, we get the 8. The answer will be 180. Like this, you have to solve the questions. Now another question I will solve it, that is 8, 13 into 10. Question number 8. 13 into 10. It is 13 minus 10. It is plus 3. 10 minus 10. It is 0. Now 13 plus 0 slash 3 into 0. Now 13 plus 0 it is 13 slash 3 into 0 it is 0. Now simply we have to write it as 130. Like this you have to solve the questions whatever given in the exercise. I hope you all understood this Nifilam Sutra, and I repeat again that when you got that question about Nifilam Sutra, first you have to take the base, then find out the deviation, then by number, if you take the first number, then you add or minus the number of second number one, and then by putting slash you have to multiply the deviation number here, then it is, if it is minus then it minus it, or if you have plus then you have to add it, then here you have to multiply it. If it is minus then transfer 1 to the left side, and by transferring 1 to the left side you have to minus it. Then by taking base you have to make the right side number positive or convert into plus. Then you have to put the answer of these numbers which are in between the slash, and by adding these numbers we have to use the slanting method. We have to use the slanting method. आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा। अब जो भी बाकी बचा है उसे आप लोग घर में प्रैक्टिस करोगे। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।